Hey everyone, so welcome back to another tutorial, and today I'm going to show you how to configure and set up the WP Mail SMTP plugin and use it with your Gmail API to send free emails from your WordPress website. So if you're having problem with sending emails from WordPress website, if you're using a VPS or if your emails are going to the spam folder, then this plugin will fix all those issues by sending emails using the SMTP. And this is ideal for small website owners because Gmail has a cap of 500 emails you can send maximum using manually or using the API. So all emails you send from your Gmail account will be counted towards that 500 limit. So if your email sending limit is lower than that, then only you can use this method. So, and if you have to send more emails than 500 every day, then you will have to use a paid solution or your hosting provider's email solution. I created a video for Bluehost users so they can create an account with the cPanel and then use that SMTP details in the plugin and then send emails from their WordPress. So I will provide a link to that tutorial as well in the description. And now let's learn how to do it with the Gmail API. So the first thing you have to do is go to Google Cloud Platform. I will put this link in the description so it will directly take you to this page. From here, just make sure this create project is selected and then click on continue. After pause of few seconds, you will see that the API is enabled. Now go to credentials. So here select user data, then click on next. Now you will have to select the name for your app. You can name it anything that you will be able to recognize for what purpose you are using this. Then put your email here. Now put your developer contact information email here. You can use the same email ID. Then click on save and continue. Now the third step is scopes. It is optional and we do not need it. So just simply click on save and continue. Now on fourth step, for client ID, select web application. Then click on done. Name your client if you want to. You can just leave it as default. Now we will have to fill our site details. So click on this plus add URI and in the authorized JavaScript origins, put your site URL here. Now make sure that you are using the correct HTTPS or HTTP version here. And then in the authorized redirect URI, click on plus add URI here and paste this URL. I will put this URL in the description as well. Okay. Now click on create. Okay, so now our client ID has been generated. Now let's go back to our WordPress website here and then install this plugin. Just search for this plugin WP Mail SMTP and then this is the first result. Let's activate it. Just click on go back to the dashboard here. Scroll down. Put your Gmail email ID here. Then you can take this option and in the from name here, you can put your website name or your business name or your name as you would like. So this will be the sender name in all emails. Now I would recommend you to take this return path option so you would know if any emails are getting bounced and then next time don't send emails to that email ID. And here select Google Gmail here. Now we need to fill this client ID and client secret. So we generated our client ID here. Click on copy and paste it here. Okay. Now go back to the Google Cloud website and then click on done now. Now here you will see your client ID you just created. So just click on it. On this page on the right side, here you will see the client secret. Just copy it and paste it here. Now because of the new changes, Google will put your app in the testing mode by default. So to enable the production mode, what you have to do is go to this option, authorize consent screen here. Now here you can see the publishing status. It is in testing mode currently. So we will have to publish it. Just click on publish app. Then you will see this notice. Just simply click on confirm here. Okay, great. So now we are almost done. Now let's go back to our WordPress dashboard here and then click on save settings. So you will see the message that settings were saved successfully. Now we have to authorize this app. Just scroll down and in the authorization option you will see allow plugins to send emails using your Google account. So just click on it. Then select your account. You will see this notice that the app has not been verified, but we just created this app and it is our own app, so it is pretty safe. So we can just click on advanced here and then click on this, then click on this option, go to wpmailsmtp.com because it is our own app and we are the developers, so you can see it is our own email ID, so it is safe to use. Just click here and then you will see what permissions you are giving to this app. Click on allow. Then again allow here. Okay, congratulations. You will see this message. You have been successfully linked the current site with your Google API project. Now you can start sending emails through Gmail. So now let's send a test email and see if it is working. Go to email test and then put your email ID here. Then click on send email. So the test email has been sent successfully. There is no error. Everything is working properly. Now I will log into my Gmail account and show you the test email ID. So you can see in my Gmail account, I got this test email and everything is working properly. So I hope you guys found this tutorial useful. Do give this video a like if it